Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws. We have our 1/4-inch nut driver. Remove the 2 1/4-inch. Place them off to the side. Grab your flathead, small flathead, and just wedge it in between. Pry up, work it up, and pull. At this point, you're going to remove the fascia, and all you have to do is pull back as they sit on pins. At this point, what we're going to do is remove our spark igniter boot, remove the wire and terminal, our flame sense wire, Phillips screwdriver, along with our 3/8 socket. We're going to remove our ground screw wire. The Phillips will be inside the burner area. We're going to hold that screw and loosen the nut. Remove the nut. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go grab our 1/4-inch nut driver. We're going to get on the other side of the igniter and remove that screw. Remove it out. Pull out your screw. Place it off to the side. Next, we're going to remove the gas orifice. The gas orifice is a brass colored item there going into the plenum, or the venturi. Use an open end wrench. Again, this wrench is 7/16. At this point, it's loose. Use your 2 index fingers or your finger and your thumb and remove the gas orifice. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our 7/8-inch closed end wrench and remove the nut that holds the gas valve assembly onto the burner. It's not too tight. All you have to do is give it a little turn, it'll loosen up, and at that point you can remove it with your fingers. Remove it, and now that'll free up your gas valve. So all you have to do is pull back on the gas valve, set it off to the side. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the other side of the atmospheric burner. We're going to grab our 1/2-inch socket along with an extension and a ratchet. Remove the bolt and the washer. Your burner is loose. All you simply have to do is pull up on the burner and guide it out. So now what I'm going to go over is how to install the new burner. You're going to take your burner and slide this end through the hole, through the firewall. Slide it in. Grab your nut and your washer and put it through the rivet nut that's already on the appliance. Again, you're going to take your half-inch socket with your extension and your ratchet, but this time we're going to tighten it and just kind of snug it up, not too tight. Next item that we're going to do is we're going to put the gas valve back in its place, going through the orifice bracket, and guide the brass end piece into the hole. At that point, we're going to take our 7/8 nut, and we are basically going to thread it onto the end of that brass piece. At this point, we're going to tighten it. Not too tight, just a nice snug fit to this. Just enough. Now we're going to take our gas orifice and we're going to put it into the end of that brass piece. Again, you're going to use a 7/16 open end wrench. A quick tip here is just grab the gas orifice, guide it in, and start it. Okay? It can be a little bit tricky. Just get started until it's snug. Grab your 7/16 wrench. Tight. Next, we're going to take our spark igniter, our screw, and our nut, and put in the igniter. Now, it's important because you don't want to install it upside down. You want this ground wire or ground rod to face the ceramic. Insert. Take your Phillips screw. Make sure the head end is inside of the burner area. Now it's very important because there's two holes. There's only one hole that goes through the firewall, whereas the other hole only goes into the one panel. Grab your ground screw, or ground wire, place it onto the screw, and grab your nut. And secure into place. That nut is again 3/8 of an inch. Grab your ratchet, 3/8 socket, and your Phillips. Hold the Phillips end just so it doesn't rotate, and get it snug. Don't overpower it, over tighten it. At this point, you're going to grab the 1/4 inch screw along with your 1/4 inch nut driver and secure the other side of that igniter. Tighten it into place. Now your igniter's in. At this point, very important to know which end goes where. You will notice your sparker and your ground rod are right on this side. So you want your igniter and your boot to go here. slide on your boot. Now the next item is you're going to grab your flame sense wire and connect that on. At this point, everything is all changed out. Burner's in place. All we have left is putting on your fascia. You're going to guide these holes here and here into the pins here and here. Angle it off a little bit, guide it into place and push. Right now it's flush. At this point, go on the other end, give it a little tap. And you're going to grab your two last 1/4" screws and your 1/4" nut driver. And place them in. At that point, you've successfully changed out the burner and you're ready to go.